Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, Saturday, September 14th, 2013, class 162, entries part 2. We continue in analyzing hands where entries are critical. The concept is repeated over and over. Plan your play carefully. Here we go.
Seems like a broken record, but pay attention as declarer. Not only must you identify your entries, you must determine the proper order in which to use them. One false step and you're toast. Check out the following hand and tell me what you're going to do. Caution. This machine has no brain. Use your own. First hand. You are south. This is your hand. You are the dealer. Neither side vulnerable. You open 1 no trump. Your partner bids 3 no trump. All pass. You're the declarer at 3 no trump, and the opening lead is a jack of hearts. Down comes the dummy. Plan your play. You have 9 tricks, but how do you cash them? You must cash the ace, king, queen of clubs, and then get the dummy to cash the 4th one. You have 3 diamond tricks, but the defenders are going to hold up on the ace of diamonds until trick 3. Which hand should you win trick 1? Take your time and think. Here's our hand again, and let's reword the question. The real question is, which entry do I need to keep? Think it out. Here's the answer. You must win trick 1 in dummy. Ace of hearts. Now cash ace, king, queen of clubs. Now lead the 5 of diamonds to the king. Eventually you'll get over to the dummy. You'll cash the jack of clubs and continue diamonds. When the opponents get in, they can cash 2 spades, but you do have a stopper. And eventually you're going to get in, and your king of hearts is a critical entry that remains in your hand to cash your 4th diamond. Did you get the answer right? You've got to plan ahead. Those who still don't get it, let's suppose that we did the opposite. Let's suppose we win with the king at trick 1. Then cash the ace, king, queen of clubs. Now we lead a 5 of diamonds to the king. We can cash the jack of clubs and we continue diamonds. However, the defenders will hold up until the 3rd round. You would. We know. We covered the hold up before. You're a good defender. You know that, right? You'll be down 1 because you'll never get back to the jack of diamonds. Second example is very similar to the one we just went through. So it's chapter 2 of the same question. This is your hand. You are south. You are dealer. Bidding goes 2 clubs, 2 diamonds. You bid 2 no. Partner takes you to 3. All pass. Again, you're in this 3 no trump. Opening lead is a 4 of hearts, and down comes dummy. Plan your play. You have 2 spades, 2 hearts, and 2 diamonds. You have 2 hearts because of the opening lead. You have plenty of tricks, provided you can cash the clubs. But you've got to drive out the ace of clubs, and again, the opponents are not going to give it to you. They're going to hold up. What's your proper play here? This question is similar to the first hand. What entry do you need to keep? The queen of hearts is the only other possible entry to dummy outside of the club suit. So the queen of hearts is critical. And since hearts are being led on the first trick, it's critical that you play correct on trick 1. The queen of hearts is critical. West is likely to hold the king of hearts from his lead. The key play low from dummy and win with the ace in your hand. I hope you got that figured out. Here is the hand after trick 1. You're in your hand with the ace of hearts. You lead on clubs, starting with the king of clubs, and now you lead a club to dummy. A defender will probably hold off the ace until the third round and return something. Now, if a heart is returned, you play the queen and cash your clubs. If anything other than a club is returned, you win in your hand and lead a low heart toward dummy. Low heart. If West takes his king, you play low and the queen remains as an entry. If West plays low, you play the queen and cash your clubs. This game is simple if you just put your brain on it. Again, the game does not come with a brain. You supply the brain.
I hope you're